Hello guys, in this guide I'll show you how to install SmartTube on your Android TV. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android TV and search for Downloader by AFTV News. Install this app as SmartTube is not available on the official Play Store. Once the app is installed, open your TV's settings. Go to Apps, then Security and Restrictions and select Install Unknown Apps. Find the Downloader app and enable permission so it can install APK files. Now, open the Downloader app and tap the URL bar. Type smarttube.app and open the website. Scroll down until you find the stable release option. Then download the latest SmartTube APK. After the download is complete, tap install and wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, open the SmartTube app. To access your subscriptions, open settings inside SmartTube and select add account. A QR code will appear on your TV screen. Scan it with your phone or open the link displayed on the screen. Then follow the prompts to securely connect your YouTube account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.